Is that it? Oh dear. Nothing is on it. So basically I put it on my nose again. I just noticed that when I put a little moisture on the nose strip, it became tacky and sticky, so I just wiped a little bit of moisture on the nose strip and I put it on. It's been on for maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes or so. A little bit tacky. Let's see how this goes, if you see any stuff on the strip. So yeah, here it goes. Let's see. There's a mirror there, so I'm looking at it. There's a little something on it. I don't know if you can actually see that. You know what, I don't think these strips are for me. That's it, simple. The strips are not for me. Nothing much on it. Yeah. Oh well. What can you say? This is my sort of review demo, trying on this thing on my face, but hey, didn't really work out. What can I say? Maybe because it's a sample. Maybe it's been manufactured a while ago, hence why it's dried out now, hence why it's not at its best. I don't know, I ain't got a clue what's going on. My nose got a little charcoal on my nose there, as in from the nose strip. This is just too funny on my days, but yeah, I'll just make a video out of this. And what I said before, subscribe if you're new, press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. What else? Leave comments in the comment box. Here's what I used. That is what I used. The T-Zone charcoal and bamboo nose paw strip. That is what I used. Nothing else to say. So I'm slightly confused because when I showed in the video, there's nothing on here, so it's not sticky. So I don't know if it's because I've got a old one. I don't know. I thought I'll see more results than nothing on this thing, so to say. But what can I say? I was given these at a bloggers event last summer, so I don't know. You think they will last more than 6 months? I don't know. Like I'm saying, it's not sticky, so I'm guessing that's why. Well, it's not too sticky, so that's why nothing really much came off on my nose. Thought I'll try something different, and look what's happened again. But yeah, that is my sort of odd nose strip review from T-Zone. I've got a couple more, but I'll use them another day and see if the same thing happens again, and I know that they're funny in general. Yeah. Not what I planned at all, but you know what? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, if you're returning. Thanks for coming back. Give me a thumbs up. Leave comments in the comments box if you like to. And I'll come back with another video. So see you. Bye.